Jai Hind students, I am Shashi Kumar Se. Today I am going to start decimal part 2 of class 7. Look at here. First question, add 16, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8 and 7.77. How can you solve? This is the problem of related to the decimal. That's why firstly we convert this question into like decimals. Clear? Look at here. Here 16 is the whole number. That's why we will write here 16, and here 8.7. This is the whole number. We will write here, and after decimal just like a one digit you will write 7 and put here 0. Why we put here 0? Because convert into like decimal. And similarly इस नंबर को 0 आप यहाँ लिखिए, 0.946 यहाँ लिखिए, 0.8 और यहाँ पर 0. लाइक डेसिमल कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 7.77. क्लियर? एंड आफ्टर दैट ऐड. लुक एट हियर. 0 0 4 plus 7 11. कैरी 1 स्टूडेंट्स. एंड 7 plus 9 16, 16 8 24, 24 7 31 plus 1 32. Carry 3 8 6 14, 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 7 27 plus 3 30. Again carry 3 3 plus 1 4. This is your answer. Clear student? 14.21. And next question is a 17.4, 86.39, 9.435, 8.8 and 0.06. Again are in this way. 17.400, 86.390, 9.435, 8.800, 0.060. Clear? This is converted to like decimals. After that adding here 5, then you will write here 5, 9 plus 3 12, 12 6 18, carry 1, 18 carry 1, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 1 20. Carry 2, 7 6 13, 13 plus 9 22, 22 plus 8 30, 30, 2 carry 32. You will write here 2 carry 3, 8 plus 1 9, 9 and 3 12. You will write. This is your answer. Clear? 122.8.085. Clear student? 122.085. And see question number second. Subtract 14.79 from 72.43. Here from that side firstly you will write this number 72.43 and 14.79. 3 not subtracted from 9. That's why you will take 1 carry 13. 13 subtracted from 9 we get 4. Clear? And here 3. Again take carry 1. 13 subtracted from 7 we get 6. And here 1. Again you will take 1 carry 11 subtracted from 4 we get 7. And here 7 sorry 6. 6 subtracted from 1 we get 5. This is your answer. And 6.732 from 9.001. Firstly write this number 9.001 and 6.732. Clear student? Firstly you will check carry here 11. 11 subtracted from 2 we get 9. Clear, student? And here 9 subtracted from 3, we get 6. And here also 9 subtracted from 7, we get 2. And here 8 subtracted from 6, we get 2. This is your answer. Clear? Now I am going to start next questions. Students, see these questions. To take out 5.746 from 9.1. That means just like a subtraction. Look at here. Firstly, we will write 9.100 because it's converted into like decimal. And after that 5.746 subtracted 10 subtracted from 6, we get 4. And here 9 subtracted from 4, we get 5. And here 10 subtracted from 7, we get 3. And here 8 subtracted from 5, we get 3. It's been your answer 3.354. Clear? And see this question. What is to be added to 63.58 to get 92? Firstly, we will write 92.00 and here 63.58. Clear? And 0, take one carry. Here 10 subtracted from 8, we get 2. And here 9 subtracted from 5, we get 4. And here 1, take one carry. 11 subtracted from 3, we get 8. And here 8 subtracted from 6, we get 2. It's your answer 28.42. 28.42. Clear? Now I am going to start next questions. Student, see this question. Find the product. Clear? 10, 100,000. Here some rule related to this question. First rule on multiply a decimal by 10. Decimal point is shifted to the right side by 1 place, and similarly 10 is shifted 2 place, and third is 1,000. That's why third places. Clear? Look at here. First 67.24 multiply by 10. That's why you will write 6724 and here 1 0. Clear, student? But in case of a 10, shifted decimal from right side 1 place, here after 2 you will put here 0. Clear? Clear? If there is no mean of this 0, you will write either or not. Clear? As you wish. And look at question number second. 2.397 into 100. 23970. Clear? In case of 100, shifted decimal right side 2 places, 1 place and 2 place, mean after 9. Clear, student? There is no mean of this 0. You can erase. And 6, 2, 5, 000, 1, 2, 3. In case of 1,000, shifted decimal from right side 3 places, 1 place, 2 place, 1 place, 2 place, and here 3 place. Clear? Clear, student? 6250. This is your answer. You can write here 0 or not as you wish, and here also you will write or not. Clear? See this question. 5.4 into 16. Firstly multiply by 16 both number, and again multiply by 1 both number. Look at here. 6 4s are 24, carry 2. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Multiply 4 and here 5. 4, 6, and 8. Clear student? Here 1 digit, that's why you will put here 1. Mean answer is your 86.4. Clear? And here 7.6, 2.4. Firstly multiply by 4. 6 4 the 24, carry 2, and 4 7 the 28. 28 plus 2, 30. You will write here 30. And 2 multiply by 6, we get 12, carry 1. And 2 multiply by 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Clear? This 4 and 2, 5 3 8, and this is 1. And here 1 and 2 decimal, that's why you will put after 2 digit decimal, 1 and 2. Clear student? This is your answer. Thank you students.